COVID-19 Nucleic Acid Test Kit. PCR Fluorescence Probe Method. Let the patient's head tilt slightly. Insert the swab into the nostril of the patient gently, reaching the surface of posterior nasopharynx that presents the most secretion. Swab over the surface of the posterior nasopharynx. Rotate the swab several times. Withdraw the swab from the nasal cavity. Insert the swab into the sample release agent and squeeze the tube wall 5 times to fully release the sample RNA. Do the same for the remaining 5 samples. Mix upside down the tube 5 times and shake 1 time. Reconstitute positive control by dissolving the lyophilized positive control powder with another tube specimen release agent. Squeeze 5 times. Shake 1 time. Positive control and all the samples should let stand for 2 to 5 minutes. Take out a 8 tubes PCR strip. Centrifuge for 3 seconds. Load 1 drop negative control into 7th tube. Add 1 drop paraffin oil into each reaction tube. Cover the strip cap. Centrifuge for 10 seconds. Put the 8 tubes PCR strip into the ultrafast qPCR instrument. Select test mode and profile. Please check the program item and all the parameters before the amplification. Then press Run to start the test. CT values were used as the reference index in the interpretation of the results. The test result was positive when the N gene or ORF1a gene CT value was less than or equal to 36. The test results were negative when the N gene and ORF1a gene CT values were greater than 36 and the internal control gene was less than or equal to 36. if the CT values of the N gene, ORF1a, B gene, and internal control gene are greater than 36. The test results are invalid. Please properly dispose of biosafety waste after the test. Please refer to local standards and anti-epidemic policies for specific treatment methods.